What if I told you that you can create a professional DIY video without a camera, without a workshop, and without filming a single scene? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn one simple DIY idea into a complete AI-generated video. And stay until the end because I'll show you the exact workflow you can reuse to create your own videos again and again. Step 1. Choose the DIY idea with Claude. First, we need a strong DIY idea. And instead of trying to come up with one ourselves, we're going to let Claude generate multiple ideas for us. Open Claude. Paste the DIY master prompt. The prompt is designed to act like a professional DIY creative director. It will generate exactly 10 potential DIY video ideas. Go through them and find the one you like. Don't just choose the first idea. Look for something that has a strong transformation, is visually satisfying, and can be understood quickly. Step 2. Choose the video duration. Next, Claude asks us to choose the video duration. For this example, I'm going to choose 10 seconds. After choosing the video duration, Claude will ask you to upload your avatar. Upload your avatar. After that, Claude will generate two prompts for idea you choose. One is for image and the other one is for video. Step 3. Move to Gemini. This is where we're going to turn our idea into a detailed visual plan. Copy the selected DIY concept and the relevant instructions from Claude. Then paste them into Gemini along with the storyboard prompt. The goal here isn't just to create a pretty picture. We want Gemini to understand the entire construction process. What materials are being used, what tools are needed, what happens first, what happens next, and what the final result should look like. I will also upload my avatar. Click Enter. Now wait for the storyboard to be created. Once it is created, download it. Step 4. Generate the video with Flow. Once the storyboard looks right, it's time to bring it to life. And this is where Flow comes in. Open Flow. Upload or use the storyboard images as your visual references. Then take the video prompt generated from Claude and paste it into Flow. The prompt tells Flow how the camera should move, how the hands should interact with the materials, how the objects should behave, and how the shots should connect. Wait for a few seconds and the video will be generated. Once you are satisfied, download the. And that's how you can go from a simple DIY idea to a complete AI-generated video without picking up a camera. You don't need a studio. You don't need expensive equipment. You just need a good idea, the right workflow, and a little creativity. If you found this tutorial useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI video tutorials.